You can modify the layout of your document by using the header and footer sections and inserting page breaks. Headers and footers usually contain additional information like page number, date, document name, and footnotes. Page breaks and horizontal lines create separation in the text and can increase readability. So let's first start off with headers and footers. The header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin, while the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom margin. Text entered into the header or footer will appear on each page of the document. So to insert a header, we're going to first go to Insert, and then we see Headers and Footers. I'm going to click Header, and so we can type in whatever we would like. In this case, I will just type in the name of this document, which is the Disney History. If we want to apply other formatting, it works, and we could do that as well. So let's write a line, and if you want, you can choose to have a different first page, or we could do something like page numbers, and we could say have a page number either in the header or footer, and what page do we want to start at. If we're happy with just typing in the name, we can click Escape, or we can just click out of it, and so we see the Disney History here. To see the power, we're going to insert a page break. If we go Insert down to Break and choose Page Break, wherever the text was will be shoved to a new page. So we see page 1 with our Disney History header. Scrolling down, we see it's there again. So it will automatically duplicate and show up the same on each page, unless, of course, you did tell it to have a different first page. If we're going to add something to the bottom of the page, we can go up to Insert and go to Footer. And now let's say we want to have a page number. So if I put this as page 1 and scroll down, we see that the page 1 actually shows up on all. So we would not want to just type in a number expecting to be able to change it on each page. Instead, you would go Insert to Page Number, and you can choose if you want it to start off at the top or start off at the bottom. So I'm going to say, let's go with that. Now we see a grade number 1 background. That gray can alert you that it will be an auto-changing value. So page 1, if you scroll down, you see it says 2 down there. If I press a space and type of, we could make it be like a page 1 of something. We would need to then go back to Insert and include a page number of a page count to count up how many pages are there in our document. At the bottom of our page, of each page, it will say the current page of the total number of pages. If we hit Escape or click out, we can scroll on down, and I'm just going to make each paragraph its own page. So I'm going to include more page breaks, and we're going to then see these number counts are automatically adjusting. So we have page 4 of 4, 3 of 4, 2 of 4, and 1 of 4. So the numbers will automatically adjust to whatever it's been specified and whatever our document contains. If we wanted to provide footnotes, which footnotes provide additional information on the text it refers to, that could include information for how to learn more about the topic, or it could include a citation for a quote used in the text. Footnotes are commonly used in research reports and academic writing. If we're wanting to include a footnote, I'm going to go and grab the page off of the internet that I got this information on Walt Disney, and then I'm just going to click here at the end of some text and go Insert and down to Footnote. So wherever my insertion point was has a little 1, and then at the bottom we have another 1 following the line, and then I'm able to paste where I'd found this information. Google Docs automatically placed that superscript number. Superscript means it's elevated. A subscript would be that it's down below. So the superscript number shows up in the body of the document and corresponds to this down here. If you include a second footnote, you're going to see that it automatically has incremental numbering. We can also include horizontal lines to separate text into sections. I'm just going to show you what they look like. We go Insert, Horizontal Line, and there we have a horizontal line. If I hit delete, we see that this horizontal line is between these two paragraphs.